um, again, I'm just trying to share what I know, what the reality and the experience that I have lived. I share because I'm passionate about this. I took the time in my career to make the transition to data. Well, first of all, to figure out what I wanted to do for the rest of my life and the mastery that I wanted to dedicate myself to, and that's what led me to data science. So I think that's the enthusiasm or the expertise that comes across in the lives like this, because I've dedicated my life to this, and I'll continue to dedicate my life to this. So I appreciate, Samir, I appreciate the compliment. That's very nice of you. But this is really fun for me. It's fun for me because I'm passionate about it, and it kind of comes easy because um, when you master something and when you really want to dedicate yourself to it, everything behind it kind of comes easy. So that's kind of I think that's what you guys are picking up on when you see the lives and all that. So Samir, thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate the compliment. That's very nice of you.